This is question number 5 and it's about trigonometric identities. For number 5 question, you need to know this graph. You need to be familiar with the sine graph to solve this question. So first it says that y is equal to 1 plus 3 sine 2x. And since it's 2x, we divide these numbers by 2 in the x-axis. And we get 45, 90, 135, and 180. And at first it says that the starting point starts at 3, but then since there's plus 1, we add 1. So the starting point became 4. So it will be, the point will start from there, from 1 to there, and the starting point below was used to be negative 3, 2, but since we add 1, negative 3 plus 1 is equal to negative 2. So the other point will be here. And the last point will be here. Because it started at 0 and if we add 1, we got 1. So we have to draw the graph. It will look like this. We got 3 marks for drawing the right graphs. In the marking scheme, instead we got 1 mark for shape, 1 mark for one cycle between 4 and negative 2, and 1 mark if all is correct. So we got all 3 marks. For number 2i, it says it has the module, so the answer should be positive. So the starting point, this is the part 2 question. It's the same question. They ask us to sketch the curve, but this one have the module, so the graph have to be positive, no negative. So we move this negative point to positive by moving it 1, 2, 3 to 1. And for number 3, we are asked to write down the number solution of the equation. And we can answer that by just looking at the graph, by saying that this is the one of the answer, this one, this point, this point, and this point here. As you can see, it's a straight line. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answer. In the marking scheme, we get 1 mark for the modulus of I, which is the graph. We got 1 mark for the correct graph, and it's correct. And 1 mark by looking on the graph for the number solution. Got this one correct. So in total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks.